Good morning, class
नहीं,
11.
ये नहीं दे ये सर मैंने इन लोगों को
This is the next topic that we are starting in your chapter number 5, Laws of Motion, that is rocket propulsion. Rocket propulsion is a very important topic in the part of your general home exams and all, and even it is also used in your NEET and JEE competitive exams. What is rocket propulsion? Rocket propulsion means when you are sending a satellite with the help of a rocket apart from the atmospheric level, then it is called as rocket propulsion. That means how you are propelling, how you are making a rocket moving upward, that is opposite to the gravitational force. Rocket propulsion is based on the law of conservation of momentum. रॉकेट propulsion लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम पे आधारित है, बेस्ड है, जिसमें आप किसी रॉकेट को जब आप उड़ाना चाहते हो तो आप उसके अंदर जो फ्यूल भरते हो वो जनरली लिक्विड हाइड्रोजन, लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन के रूप में होता है. वो ऐसे फ्यूल होता है जो बहुत सारा अमाउंट का गैस क्रिएट कर सके, वो बहुत सारा अमाउंट का स्मोक क्रिएट कर सके, ताकि उस स्मोक का जो बाउंस है वो उस रॉकेट को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन पे मूव करने पे हेल्प करेगा. तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द इनिशियल मास ऑफ द फ्यूल. लेट वी टेक दैट द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ फ्यूल प्रेजेंट इन द रॉकेट इज m0. okay, but as you know the gases are coming out from the rocket in some fraction period of time. So let that mass of the gas which is coming out as a part of a smoke, as a form of a smoke per second, will be taken as del m upon del t. Del m is a condition in which a larger amount of mass of fuel which is filled in your rocket releases a small amount of mass in the form of gas. Okay. So when in time interval of t, the total mass will be your del m upon del t into t. That means how much amount of time you had consumed. You will have to take that total value. Okay. After t seconds, the mass of rocket will going to be reduced. अब क्या हो जाएगा, जितना टोटल मास फ्यूल के रॉकेट के पास था वो धीरे धीरे क्या होता जा रहा है, रिड्यूस होता जा रहा है. दैट मीन्स नाउ आफ्टर t सेकेंड, दैट इज now the mass remaining in the rocket will be m, that is m naught minus del m upon del t into t. This is the mass which is always being in reducing nature, जो हमेशा धीरे 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 करके कम होता जाएगा. So we have to find out, because it is based on the law of conservation of momentum, rocket propulsion. So what you have to do, you have to find the forward direction momentum and backward direction momentum. Momentum of forward direction, that means the direction of the rocket, because rocket is moving upward and the gases are moving backward. So there will be a two movement condition, momentum condition, one in the forward direction and one in the backward direction. Forward direction will be done by the rocket and the backward direction will be done by the release of gases coming out from the rocket. So the first momentum of forward direction, how much amount of fuel is remaining within the rocket. This is your m minus del m into delta v. This is the total mass which is always being in reducing nature, and whatever be the change in velocity will be taken as del v. Now putting the value of m from the mass which you had reduced, that will be your m naught minus del m upon del t into t minus del m total into with change in velocity, that every time the rocket is being increasing its velocity. Now momentum of backward direction, that is amount of gas which is coming out from the rocket and the gas speed, that is you can say the velocity of the speed will be taken as u. So forward momentum is always equals to backward momentum. So momentum m naught minus del m upon del t into t minus of del m into del v, which is equals to the backward momentum del m into u. So considering this value, हम del m को काफी छोटा मानते हैं. The amount of gas which is coming out from the rocket is very less, so we are just neglecting this value. Hence you are remaining with m naught is minus del m upon del t into t into del v is equals to del m into u. Now completely this equation will be divided by del t. So you are remaining with m naught minus del m upon del t into t into del v upon del t. Del v upon del t is a ratio what you called as acceleration equals to del m upon del t into u. So the ratio of del v upon del t, that is change in velocity upon change in time, will give you the value of acceleration, and hence you are being given an expression del v upon del t is equals to del m upon del t into u upon the total mass will be in the denominator side of the right hand side, that is m minus del m upon del t into t. So hence this is a very important topic of your relation of law of conservation of momentum, in which you are able to understand that how the rocket is being propelled. रॉकेट की प्रोपल्शन की यदि हम बात करें तो वो फॉरवर्ड मोमेंटम और बैकवर्ड मोमेंटम पे डील करता है. फॉरवर्ड मोमेंटम उसे तब मिलता है जब गैसेस जो रिलीज हो रही हैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ स्मोक, जब वो अर्थ पे बाउंस करते हैं तो बाउंस करने के बाद उनको वेलोसिटी मिलती है ऊपर की तरफ रॉकेट को. तो इस तरीके से यदि हम बात करें तो टोटल, क्योंकि मोमेंटम की बात हो रही तो मोमेंटम नीड्स टू थिंग, मास एंड वेलोसिटी. Mass of the fuel which is stored in the rocket and the fuel which is coming out in the form of a gas. तो दो चीज़ें यहाँ पे हमें मिलती है. एक फ्यूल वो जो हमने टोटल रॉकेट के अंदर भरा है, पर क्योंकि रॉकेट धीरे धीरे स्मोक के रूप में उस फ्यूल को रिड्यूस करता जा रहा है तो वो मोमेंटम हमें मिलेगा उसके मास के अकॉर्डिंगली. और दूसरा जो हमें मिलेगा वो बैकवर्ड मोमेंटम, जितना मास स्मोक का धीरे धीरे स्मोक की वेलोसिटी के साथ पीछे आ रहा है, बाउंस कर रहा है अर्थ पे, तो दैट विल गिव यू द रिलेशन ऑफ बैकवर्ड मोमेंटम. तो हेंस लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम हेल्प्स टू गिव द रिलेशन फॉर दिस. एंड यदि आपके पास शिवलाल हो तो और उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आप बहुत ब्रीफली इसको अपने आंसर में डिस्क्राइब भी कर सकते हैं. बट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट वाज दैट with the help of law of conservation of momentum you are able to get the acceleration of the rocket which is being acquired, which is being formed by the releasing of smoke that is coming out from the rocket. Okay, so in the next class we will be ending this quick chapter. Thank you.